The reason for me to be here is a new concept initiated by the general manager, inviting brands in the city to set up a pop-up restaurant in the hotel. What's it all about? You're going to see in next few minutes. Come on.
Hi, Alok Kaul, General Manager for Radisson Hyderabad High Tech City, and I'm sure all of you are sitting at home and trying to watch this video. One mission which we decided to do is to make you happy, to keep you happy, whether it's Corona, not Corona, to keep you alive in life, and that's the mission which we went with as a hotel, as a hospitality industry, as a food industry. So we've come up with this amazing concept that's a private dining. I think it's more to experience rather than for me to talk, but let me give you a glimpse. Basically, just moving away from the fact that you come to restaurants and sit in the same dining space among different people. It's rather, let's cut this off and let's build the barriers and make it private cabanas or private out dining cabanas. But we bought those cabanas inside our rooms to make it more exclusive. Why did we do that? One reason, so that you can sit with your family in private environment, there is nobody to bother you. Second thing, it's safe, it's hygienic. Why? Because the same table, same chair is not repeated to another customer, because another customer goes to a second cabana. So that's the reason. Now that's as far as dining is concerned, private dining is concerned. What else have we done? We have collaborated with brands that are standalone brands and joined hands together to be a partner and present it to you the best of food and beverage industry, especially in India. So the first one who has tied up with us is Sarita Sarkar, and proud to have Bengali dishes in a private dining atmosphere, watching an IPL match or watching something special along with your kids' private bathroom and nobody else to bother you. You have to try it. You have to come to Radisson, before I speak further. So see you in Radisson, see you in Cabana at Radisson. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarita Sarkar from Sarkar's Kitchen, and we have been very grateful and thankful to Radisson for giving us this opportunity to start our restaurant in their premises. And we are starting a pop-up restaurant, and this will be our first cabana, which is set for your private dining with full safety and security, along with the Bengali delicacy. Thank you so much. I hope to see all of you in this place. Thank you.
Had an amazing Bengali cuisine from Sarkar's Kitchen at Radisson Kachipur. More and so restaurants would be joining the list. That is going to be one of the most popular concepts that is going to arise in the entire city in Radisson Kachipur. Watch out and do dine in. Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.